Hello guys, welcome to Z Square Art. My name is Rajan Kuswaha and here I am going to introduce Java Full Stack Development Program. In this session, I will teach you how to install JDK on your machine and how to compile and run the Java code. So, we need JDK to install in our computer. So I have to move on Oracle website to download the latest version or 8th version of JDK. So type here JDK Java JDK download, and this is the Oracle website, and here you will see the latest version of JDK 14. You can also install this version of JDK, or you can download this. I prefer JDK 8 because this is still stable version of JDK. So click here to download, and you have to choose what is your machine. My machine is Windows 64-bit operating system. So click here to download. After downloading, I have already downloaded and installed. Okay, this is very simple process to install. You can easily install JDK like some other software. Okay, after that you have to set the variable path. Okay, for variable path, where I have to go to C drive and in program file, and after then you will see the Java folder. After installation, this folder will create in C drive. Here you will see two type of folder. One folder is JDK and one folder is JRE. I will explain later what is the difference between JDK and JRE. So open this folder JDK and go to bin folder. Bin folder, you will see a lot of application. Okay, the first application is Java C. Java C is nothing but Java compiler. Okay, this is Java compiler, and you will see a lot of like Java profiler, Java P, Java as, Java doc, and a lot of application you will see here. Okay, so copy this address from here and go to the my computer and open property file. In property and left side you will see advanced system setting. Click here, and here you will see environment variable. Open this environment variable. You will see two type of section. First section is user variable. This is for user variable and this is for system variable. Why we have to you have to import the bin folder path here and here also. Okay, this is for the variable user variable. If we are working through command line, then we need to address here the bin folder. Okay, so initially we have to add new. Okay, but I have already added here. So here if you are adding new variable, so the variable name should be Java home, and the variable value should be paste the address here, the bin folder, paste the address here. Okay, this address you have to paste there. Copy this address and paste here, and then OK. And after this user variable, go to the system variable, and here you will see path. Okay, go to edit section, and also you have to paste here. Also go to new and paste here. Okay, and after then OK. Okay, so my path variable is completely done, and let's check my JDK is completely installed in my machine or not. So type here cmd and type here java dash version. Now right here you can see the JDK 1.8 is already installed, yeah, or has been installed. If you are using JDK 14, you will see the build 1.14, the new version of JDK. Okay, so let's move to the program. So here open the text document to check how to compile and how to run the program. So let's create a class like A, then public static void main. System dot out dot print one. I am printing here simple hello print, double quotes hello Java. Okay, curly brackets close and then close, and save this file. Save as, go to save as, and choose your location where you want to save this. Okay, I want to save in music, so and rename this folder name simple hello. Okay, and text type all file. So select all file and hello dot Java, and then save. Now open music folder. Now you will see the hello dot Java file is created and the file type is Java file. Okay, then compile this. For compilation, for quick compilation process, click the address bar and type here cmd. When you type here cmd, the command path will automatically detect the music folder. Okay, so after that type here java c space file name hello dot Java. Oh, now it's compiled. Okay, successfully compiled, and you will see here the class path the class folder is created with the name of A. My class name is A. You can see here the class name is capital A, so the class file will be created as we mentioned here. Okay, so this is the class. Okay, I will explain what is the difference between the class file and the Java file. Okay, this is nothing but this is bytecode also. Okay, and now for run the Java code, right here Java space class name. Now here you will see the actual output what I had mentioned in the program. Okay, so this is the complete process to installation and path variable and execute our Java code. Okay, so I will explain all the things in my next video. So for this time, Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.